Empezar con un tutorial. I tried this BoxyCharm mask. A ver qué tal jala.
Habla como Kim Kardashian.
Ni me acuerdo cómo lo sé. Hey guys, I use this Smashbox Auto Fin. También me puse este Too Faced primer de la eyelid. Excuse the uglies. O al revés.
After the white, ahorita a ver qué me hago, because I don't know.
I'ma then put this little pink.
Fuck, I just have to do this one.
Blend it in. After this pink, I potatoed. So I'ma just go back and do my eyebrows because I fucked up. I'ma do my eyebrows off camera because I don't know how to do them on camera. But this is what I use.
Ahí están en un plato y ahí en la mesa hay crema de Hércules.
I'm then gonna build up the pink with these other two. After the pink, I'm gonna add some purple in my outer corners. I'm done adding purple. I'm gonna go in with blues on my eyelid. Next, we're gonna go in with yellow on the bottom lash line. After the yellow, I put on some gel liner on the bottom and some liquid liner on the top. Since I don't have any fake lashes right now, I'm gonna just curl them and put on some mascara. After this, I'm gonna just go ahead and finish my entire face because it's getting very late.
Se me pasó la mano.
Oh, ándale así, sí, con este lipstick. Sí.
No, pero ya.